It's been years since I've seen a payphone or been able to use one, and here at Waikiki Beach, even at Waikiki Beach, the phones are no longer in use. I mean, I could try to... It looks like there's power, but someone stole the phone.
There's not one telephone that works on the island.
I know, that's too bad, isn't it?
Well,
Vandalism, yeah.
First thing that goes, fucking, they unscrew them and take the mouthpiece out.
That's
the
too
first
bad.
thing, and then they rip it out.
Yeah, look, it still has power.
And
Power
there's
to
not a single
nothing.
water fountain that works either.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah, well, you know, you got to understand, we got people that come here from the mainland and don't.
We'll end on a positive note with the lovely ocean and beaches. October appears to be a really good time to come to Waikiki and the island of Oahu.